is the continuous pursuit of excellence. For over 15 years, we have
Well, damn.
nutrient gaps and gut health. It's time for the next generation of AG1. AG1 Next Gen
That's crazy.
upgraded B vitamins and probiotic blends backed by multiple gold standard clinical trials. Our customers deserve the best, and the best just got much better. You founded your client company because you want
Price is doing some crazy stuff.
you need to hire. I need a need. Indeed, you do. When you sponsor a job on Indeed, candidates can find it easy to say, hey, you hired me. Visit Indeed.com/hire. When it invests in the full forward vision to anticipate the needs of future generations. To build strong portfolios, it's just a move. Because after all, in 25 years of yesterdays, we really use the ultimate statement is to
Been feeling a lot of rejection. Rejection of his family or God right now. Maybe it come down to here. What is that?
Well, then it should be opening down to the second line, son. Because other than the free market, should be more hard. Well, lots of them are going on again. You can't exactly how we could go be you maybe it was the only catch. You can look for that word. If it goes down,
Registration retest more so.
it's in. I want to go over again. I know this will go not that big, slowly, but. If you private would bond, if you were to people listening bond, the people I was surrounded in they were like, oh, I think we're back to nature. Simply on Bible said, yeah, they said, you don't want to drop the axis of evil is down in
Could be good.
we're going to get used to the axis of evil isn't the effect. It's going to be, you're going to need a defense mechanism. Some of that might be, fucking complex, I think, that they will start at this week and we will talk about some defense thing. Let's get that defense thing. Yeah. The idea that you get the B2 strength with resistance, well, there is no difference. Well, country doesn't provide itself to be. They call it local trans.
Okay. That was good. I should have kept going though. But that's okay. It's time to fix. That's good.
No,
Okay.
that's not. I guess we're at this point. You've been doing it so long that it doesn't really generate a lot of. Okay, but at the same
Not
time,
this low out over here.
many people seem to make it. In Parkland, it's over and over and over again. That's what you do. So check out using just think of it. Yes, I think we all agree with that. It requires them to pinpoint. Yeah. I mean, you know that to be the case because it continues all the time. But So I think we back into like lower rates, and what that would mean overall for the economy. Obviously, he comes back now as well, but he's just talking about it, which is certainly good, and
I should come back to her first, right?
it's actually
What taste that?
the long end can do it's gonna do, so do it, yeah. It's like you're gonna be a shot, you cannot say, I don't want to get this, you got to get that movie with that. Yeah. So it's looking at what you're doing popular, you see, I don't think we did bad now, I don't think we did that with the big case. I got it for him. Names. I don't think that there is the mortgage rates are too high, which is what about what they do. Yeah, and I think that I wish that was doing it, and if it's bad, it's the wrong. You know, I just did. You know, there's the black and warning, flat. I think that. You do what it is. You know, if anything, you got a lesson on that from the bond market, if you recall, the early days there, that's the liberation day. When the bond market said, no. Yes, that's what I was thinking, I answered it, honestly, if we together with us, yes. Makes you wonder whether or not, the Middle East, does complicate, since it must be, if you still sign the bonds you want for, the unique section regarding the truly no major fees is what.
Come on. Come on. Jeez. Okay. That's it for this account. Because my hands is doing some shaking stuff because I didn't have my stop loss on there. It's my express account. So I got 1,000 on that. So that's it. Let's go to a different account.
The US Steel Quarters for that deal, and would be part of the deal,
That's it.
let me tell you about that. At $55 a fair.
I don't like going into trades without stop losses. I get too shaky. It's ridiculous. But those are good trades. And I only took 2 trades, and so I'll be able to journal them on my TradeZilla. Because it's not 1,000 trades that I'm trying to figure out what I did. What I'm going to do right now, though, is go back to that account and then put my trade execution label, you know that I don't like the other bars on me. The labels are
Yes, I wanted to hit more than 12 because the stock went 7.5%. Jim and I were talking about it. Go in there, small deals bought me out, but
I said it should come up to here and be traced. I'm not going to trading loss account when it was
so if you farm this, you do that for less than 40 million. I don't like do that.
That's good. He rejected off that 382. Which one is that? No, 382. Dang, prices going up. I should have took that.
There it is. And so you'll see.
I don't want to reject it all.
We're taking new CEO, so you
I got all these things because I have. I want to take that, but I feel like it might want to come down a little bit first. So I have one of my fibs from the top of Friday to the bottom of when it dropped at 6 when it opened. So that's one of the fibs. But then I have one fib from the bottom to the top of just the overnight price action. So this is from Friday to the swing points, basically the last swing points, which was Friday to Sunday night, Friday morning, Sunday night, and then I have from Sunday night to Monday. So that's why it's always different. I should probably make this one a different color. Just do like the golden levels. Like that, so you kind know the difference. And which one? I thought that price would at least come down to this 618 though. Probably is. Because it's all these equal lows right here from overnight. And this is an area that it should want to come back to. But right now it's still wanting to go up for sure. And it's just doing a little consolidation before it goes up more. That was a big the trace one. We're not doing 15 to the back page. Gotten stronger, but eminent it's a snapshot that sometimes helps you in understanding what the goals are doing. Oh yeah, look at that. When it gets a bit what's the difference? Back to EM1, it's a EM1, be my investments, be my wealth, be my clothing, having the bag, behind the scenes, is the form of faith. There's no way you know the predator. You know, it's really these two guys together. And this is a deal right now. The media comments, what she is. She will not be seen. Yeah, should stay in that because
Business and
that was like the rejection to stay into that, stay in that trade.
I don't, I wish I had more for you to show. You know, probably there are start that's it. Guys, it's worth getting into notabilities and his and hers. Really fascinating press release in Novo regarding their now the fund collaboration with his and hers, where they just basically say,
Come on.
they will go available by the way, that was the version of hers with their pharmacy.
Come on.
They say that they're giving knowledge prohibits net sales of the drugs and the bad guys are disseminating deceptive marketing that puts fiction safety at risk. You can see that's doing their stock price this morning. Yeah. Very short stack. They raised the tips because they did this big diabetes problems slowly. People really say $5 million, yes, more than why this is not that.
Oh,
These are the expectations that
it's stupid. Of course, now if they want to go up. Just doing like back and forth right now, so I should just wait. I would think it would want to come at least up to here first. I'm not trying to. Almost rejecting off of this 236. Really level for rejections, honestly.
That reduced 24.3% of audio. Well, let's say, I think the range that is trying to get would be a once a month instead of once a week injection, maybe even once a quarter injection. Why?
No, so put that more negative.
Two injection, the injection that you get forward those. There's issues in terms of transport out of play. There is going to be a problem. You want them really because they object to the injection. No one just do they get out there.
I want to go back down. Think so, though.
You better find this.
Wait for this break. Yes. But now it's like, it's just the time for it to break. Go up. Crap. Come on. Come on.
Yeah, I finally did one end of that.
Come on.
Wait, did they start the rubber taxi? I did not.
Come on.
There's somebody in the car that it's different.
Just don't look there. Shh.
Yeah.
And this is the part that I hate. When I start getting stuck in chop and not recognizing that I'm in chop. Okay. This is chop. We're in chop. Now wait for chop to be over. I keep trying to take it before, but like that was a perfect take, but it might just be one of those, see? That's what I'm saying. But then it's gonna come back and retest this again. And it's right here at this area, but it needs to break this area right here anyway.
We'll see the time, but probably this month. So we'll do it. So I think that's what we're doing. Is it a new market or is it going to displace launch? Is it a new check? That would change. This is very partners the way now.
Come on.
We can go back to like that.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Yeah. And not nearly all expensive. I know a lot of people would prefer the makeup in whether it is out in the hills or a system that they're all.
Come on.
Yeah.
Come on. Come on. Yeah, I knew I had to wait for the retest, but I thought that this was the retest, and now I retested. Now it's about to. I don't know what the heck they supposed to do. It's to wait to this retest right here. That was the retest that I was supposed to wait for right here, or to retest this box. Now look at it. It's literally all I said. I need to wait for a retest of this box. And I thought I did with this right here. But because I was already, then I dropped two. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4 trades in this one area. Yeah, I did that. The impatience, because it moved up so much, you knew it was about to get choppy for a minute. It's like, it's just obvious. I hate when I get myself in chop and I don't recognize it until late. I mean, because I knew it wanted to break over this, which it did right there. I hate when I trade, have a good trade, then do bad trades. At least that wasn't on my funded account. These account, I keep on just going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth.
Response by PIMCO, a global leader in tablet fixed income.
I don't like that account. Bad. It annoys me really bad.
Is this your dream of retirement? Although, this week, I like this. Was this really your stuff? But $1 isn't a guarantee, it's a goal.
I said, wait for the retest. Let it break and wait for the retest. All you have to do is just wait for the retest. I'm not even supposed to, that's why I'm supposed to have this on my chart so that I can remember I'm only trading break golden zones and retest the breaker level and retest the breaker structure. This is a breaker structure right here. And I was supposed to wait for the retest of it. Alright, once it break right there, then wait for this retest. I would have got in there, but that still would have been kind of early, but it went up to 100 ticks, and that's all I've been for anyway. But then it came back down, so I wouldn't have got out in time. 130. That's all I had to do was just wait for the retest. And now look, taking off. It's okay. I'm gonna get my life together. Oh, ew. I'm gonna get my trading life together.
With space, while I'm another employee, I know the new brand appear to this room. It is so easy. I just change my products, and space nothing. No change together with this new year. Get started today, but
I did hit my daily loss on my other two accounts, so I can't trade them no more because I didn't wait for the retest like I was supposed to.
You can find safe for you. You're the circuit stock market. Change the market to work. That one that's for five.
We're gonna take 2 trades. And it's chop. Do that. I'm just trying to get in every step into this start. So I don't get so I'll try to go up there. I don't know why I didn't stay in. Like, where the because I got in all the way up there. Getting in all the way up there and then coming down. It's still only 55, but I think I had too many contracts. I could have just waited, stayed in, waited. Just waited. I feel like just failed it. That's why I said I only had one contract. So I would have one contract, I would have been able to hold it. But I kept on like adding more contracts. Because I got anywhere up here. One contract, 58, that's not nothing but 200, like 56 or something. I should have just had a stop right here and just long price income below this line. I was good. It's only a $300 risk. Instead, I'm just going in and out, and idea of like that. But I was over there straight that account and I didn't put a stop. I should have put a stop. Underneath here. And then I wouldn't have cared. I would have had a stop loss. Well. I got $1,000 on my funded account today and I lost $1,000 on my combine. Because I'm trading chop. But I'm done trading, so I'm gonna get off of this. Let myself be chop like that.
From data centers to all the manufacturers that we then about 30% of our business is in infrastructure, and yet the big total is 20% in what it is. So it's very exciting for us that we almost have a 50-50 of new.
It should have been my trade right here.
Are you the opinion that you can consolidate yourself?
Actually, I got in right here, up here. I could have had my stop loss right here. And all I'll be looking for is 25 anyway.
We've been a big consolidator. We went from 6 to 12 billion over the last 5 years. We ended it.
That would have been it. Then I could move my stop up as, like, once I saw price started to come up more, where I didn't have to have a 13 point stop. Eventually I can move it up and up and up and up. And just setting it. You gotta start doing that every day.
And just going very well, you see all the data on how it aging, how it is, it is excellent. I think for reconstruction, they're going to still be I think that the lowest.
I'm so hot, and I got my air on, but I'm thinking it's coffee, and it's like one of the hottest weeks of the year. Like the summer just started. I can't say the summer, but it is the hottest day. It's so hot. It's hot everywhere. So
Stargate or what Meta is doing in the
it's just stupid.
opportunity. Oh, absolutely. The big old data center is a, it was now for the all the AI, it generates and you need much.